Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your SmartThings hub to a new phone, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your SmartThings hub to a new phone, begin by downloading the SmartThings app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your existing Samsung account. If you do not have a Samsung account, you will need to create one. After logging in, you will see your existing SmartThings setup on the home screen. Next, locate the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation drawer. From the navigation drawer, select the Devices option. Here, you will see a list of all devices linked to your SmartThings hub. Now, tap on the device that you want to transfer. You should see a Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap the Settings icon to open the Device Settings menu. Scroll down to find the option labeled Remove Device. Confirm the removal of the device from your SmartThings hub. Next, go back to your main device screen in the app. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose the Scan Nearby option to start the scan process. Once your device is detected, follow the prompts to reconnect it to the SmartThings hub. You may need to enter your Wi-Fi password during this process. Once connected, the device will appear back on your device list in the SmartThings app. After re-adding all desired devices, check each one to ensure they are functioning correctly. Finally, make sure to adjust any automations or routines that may have been affected by the transfer. You have successfully transferred your SmartThings hub to a new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.